Today we're talking to Kyle Cruickshanks, the leader of our business intelligence team here at Ateko, about how organizations can apply AI more strategically to bolster the effectiveness of their top performers. Kyle, can you tell us what you're seeing across client organizations who are deploying AI?
We're seeing a lot of interest and enthusiasm from organizations who are keen to make real strides using AI. The problem in many of these cases is that they're treating AI like a magic bullet that can fix pretty much anything that they come across in terms of broken processes across their organization.
That sounds like something we can all relate to. So instead of just crossing their fingers and hoping AI fixes everything, what should companies be doing?
Yeah, funny enough, I think the first step isn't really related to AI at all. It has to do with diagnostics, right? Ask yourself, how long does it take to get an answer about a core business KPI? Frankly, if your answer is measured in days, you probably aren't ready for AI. You likely have a foundational data problem. AI doesn't tend to fix messy data that takes days to wrangle. It just makes the problem worse, faster. That's why you can use business intelligence or other functions as your diagnostic tool to find those flat tires in your operations before you invest in a new engine. You have to fix the process first, then you can add the horsepower.
Yes, there's lots that can be accomplished with AI, but what is the best way for companies to approach integrating it into their organization?
I think the biggest ROI from AI doesn't come from giving a generic tool to just everybody. It comes from creating a personalized co-pilot for your best people, trained on their strengths and success patterns. The goal is to amplify excellence instead of trying to fix mediocrity and have these users champion that solution across the organization, especially when it comes to agentic and generative AI use cases.
So on the flip side, what are the potential pitfalls that AI can bring into an organization if they're rushing to implement just because of the hype?
Yeah, I think the biggest one would be, as AI makes decisions, routing support tickets, answering customer inquiries, you have to be able to govern those decisions, not just the data. If you can't explain to a customer or a regulator why your AI did what it did, you don't really have an asset at that point. You actually have a potential liability.
Yeah, so true. So thank you, Kyle. That's very helpful insight. We hope you can find value here as you navigate AI use within your own organization.